Aberdeen is the town that has inspired Curt Cobain from the Nirvana. But it's not only inspired, it's more than that. He was born here. Born and raised. When he became 18 or 20, then he left for Seattle. Two Nirvana members were born and raised here. And eventually, Curt Cobain, he was inspired by the Melvins, a local band, which was pretty much like grunge, but before grunge. They are from Montesano, and despite Aberdeen was like denying this guy Curt Cobain because the abuse of drug and the suicidal tendencies, eventually Aberdeen paid respect to Curt Cobain. I mean, he's super famous, so there is a memorial in town. His house became like a sanctuary. He never mentioned Aberdeen in his lyrics, but there are many hints, and you don't need to be a super expert that he's referring to his neighborhood, his bridge. There is a bridge near his house. So I'll go and check that. Aberdeen is also known to have a high level of unemployment, fentanyl, drugs in general. It is a working class town, but there are many jobless. The weather is often gray, it's like oppressive. The society, according to Curt Cobain, is conservative. I didn't know anything about Aberdeen until a few days ago, actually. Yeah. I knew zero. Then by looking at the map and studying my next town, I figured out that I had to go through Aberdeen, and by reading about Aberdeen, I read about his hometown. And that's the whole story. I'll take you around Aberdeen, as promised. Let's see. Is there something special today happening?
It's World Music Day.
Today?
Yes.
Right, thanks.
Yes. Did you want the white toast? Yep. Is this nation? It's a giant franchise.
It must be at America's Diner. It must be pretty much. Yeah, I've seen the sign, but I've never eaten. So I've never.
Check that out.
Yeah.
May I take your menu?
Sure.
Thank you, Marge.
So you wait for the thing to go over? I noticed you're not looking at the menu.
So that was without commentary. I hope it comments itself, right?